So a delegation of the Kurdistan regional government went to Baghdad yesterday to start a negotiation on a possible breakup from Iraq. With the United
On a
States
possible what, I'm sorry?
breakup from Iraq or declaration of independence. So would the United States support these negotiations between Erbil and Baghdad?
Yeah. I mean, certainly if Erbil and Baghdad want to sit down and have a conversation with one another, that is certainly fine. As you know, we have expressed very serious concerns about holding a referendum, even a referendum that's considered to be an unbinding referendum. What we would like to see is a stable, secure, and unified Iraq. As we talk about the referendum that the Kurds want to hold in September, late September, I believe it is, we look at that and say, we understand what you're going for. We understand what the goal is, but let's not take our eye off the ball. Let's not take our eye off of ISIS. And ISIS is the major serious threat in Iraq right now, and we're concerned about a referendum at this time that referendum would be further destabilizing.
According to the KRG presidency's website, in the phone call between Mr. Tillerson and Barzani, Mr. Tillerson encouraged Erbil to negotiate with Baghdad. Is that the case? What else did Mr. Tillerson?
I don't have a readout of that conversation. Okay. Right. Yeah.
Your objection is to the timing of the referendum.
We've talked about that. Yeah, I think I've been clear about the concerns related to the timing of the referendum.
But it's not about the referendum itself, it's the timing.
And ultimately, this is going to have to be worked out with the Iraqi people, but I just want to be clear, ISIS is the main fight that Iraqis have been fighting for years now, hoping to get people back into western Mosul as they've started to come back in. There are operations taking place up in the north in Tal Afar. We haven't talked about that a whole lot, but there are a lot of concerning activities on the part of trying to get ISIS out of Iraq, and we see that as the sole focus where we need to stay, where we need to keep the eye on the ball. Okay?